Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix your error. So I will show you this error, so how it looks like. Action blocked, the action was blocked, please try again later. We restrict certain content and actions to protect our community. Tell us if you think we made a mistake. So how you can fix this error? So first thing you need to try in this situation, so just if you're using Wi-Fi, just go to the settings, and in the settings you need to turn off Wi-Fi and just try to use your mobile data. So just turn on here on mobile data and just try use Instagram and just like someone or comment. So I don't know what what certain action you also have you just receive this error on. So just try to use your mobile data, and sometimes it also helps. And if you uh, receive this error again, so you just need to wait. So sometimes it also blocked for day 1 day, for 2 days, for 10 days. It also depends on the situation, so it depends on Instagram, so for how much time Instagram blocked your action. So you just need to wait. You don't need to do anything, so just wait. I also think that it will help you. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.